Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. You've been a marvellous audience. As a matter of fact, you've been the best Friday night audience we had this week. So we'd like to leave you with a little song. It's a song that children in Dublin sing. And if you listen very carefully to the words, you'll get some idea of the kind of children we have in Dublin. There was an old woman and she lived in the wood. Wheel-ya, wheel-ya, wall-ya. There was an old woman and she lived in the wood, down by the river Saulia. Well, she had a baby 3 months old. Wheel-ya, wheel-ya, wall-ya. She had a baby 3 months old, down by the river Saulia. And she had a penknife long and sharp. Wheel-ya, wheel-ya, wall-ya. She had a penknife long and sharp, down by the river Saulia. Then she stuck the penknife in the baby's heart. Wheel-ya, wheel-ya, wall-ya. She stuck the penknife in the baby's heart, down by the river Saulia. There were 3 loud knocks come knocking on the door. Wheel-ya, wheel-ya, wall-ya. 3 loud knocks come knocking on the door, down by the river Saulia. There were 2 policemen and a special branchman. Wheel-ya, wheel-ya, wall-ya. 2 policemen and a special branchman, down by the river Saulia. So they put the rope around her neck. Wheel-ya, wheel-ya, wall-ya. They put the rope around her neck, down by the river Saulia. Then they pulled the rope and she got hung. Wheel-ya, wheel-ya, wall-ya. They pulled the rope and she got hung, down by the river Saulia. Well, that was the end of the woman in the wood. Wheel-ya, wheel-ya, wall-ya. And that was the end of the baby too, down by the river Saulia.